Autumn is pumpkin time in Switzerland. In early October, my boys and I visited lovely farm, Bürlimoos Farm in Canton Luzern, to see how their pumpkin exhibition looked like this year. We were not disappointed. We went just after the exhibition opened and the stands were filled with pumpkins. Big ones, small ones, white ones, green ones, orange ones, from decorative ones to cooking pumpkins. There were so many shapes and colors to see, and yes, you can buy them too. We took our time walking around the colorful displays, spotting unusual pumpkins we hadn't seen before, and picking out few favorites to bring home with us. It was not an easy task. After finally picking out our pumpkins, we strolled around the farm to see what else we could discover. We passed by few animals. The cows were especially friendly. The peacocks hardly noticed us. Duck didn't notice us either. It was too busy with its beauty routine. Sheep seem equally unconcerned by our presence. The goats were much friendlier. We got to pet and feed them grass, and the boys absolutely loved it. After meeting all the animals, we headed to the small playground. The boys ran straight for the Bouncy castle, spent what felt forever, jumping and sliding. They had absolute blast. Just before we were about to leave, boys noticed a tractor. It was a perfect way to end our day at the farm.